Can you make more interest with monthly averaging in a fixed index annuity? Is it a superior calculation over other index strategies or calculations? Let's see how that might work. Let's say the index, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ, whatever index you choose, is here at 1,000. And each month anniversary, let's say your month anniversary is on the 5th of the month. Well, each 5th day of the month, you write down where that index is, and at the end of the year, you have 12 figures written down on a piece of paper. And it ends exactly where it started. Now you add those figures together, divide by 12, and you have an average of, let's say 10%. Well, now you apply a participation rate, a cap, or a spread. And in this example, let's say it's 70% participation rate. PR means participation rate when you're looking at brochures. PR or quotes, when you see interest rate quotes on the internet, you'll see PR. That stands for participation rate. You're participating with the insurance company in the rate of increase on that index. Back to our example, let's say the S&P goes up by 10 on an average. 70% of that would be 7. Versus a cap rate of 7%, then out of that 10% gain, you'd make 7. The third way to make interest is called a margin, spread, or administrative fee. And that might have a margin of 3%. So 3 from 10 equals 7. All three pay you interest of the gain. And one more note, point to point would have paid you 0. That's what I mean by could monthly averaging be a better calculation. Be sure to get the Buyer's Guide, like, and subscribe.